Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer with headphones. First, gather your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller. You will also need your personal computer ready with either an available USB port for a wired connection or a Bluetooth adapter for wireless pairing. If using a cable, make sure it is a data transfer cable, not just a charging cable. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth setup process. For a quick, reliable connection, simply plug your PlayStation 4 controller into an available USB port on your personal computer using a good quality USB data cable. Your operating system, typically Windows, will usually detect the controller immediately and install the necessary drivers automatically. You can confirm the controller's recognition by checking your device manager. It should appear under Human Interface Devices or Game Controllers, indicating it is ready to use. To connect wirelessly, first put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the small PlayStation button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Next, on your personal computer, navigate to your Bluetooth and other devices settings, then choose to add a new Bluetooth device. Select Wireless Controller from the list that appears and confirm the pairing, connecting your controller wirelessly. Now for the headphones. Simply plug your standard 3.5mm headphones directly into the audio jack located on the bottom of your PlayStation 4 controller. On your personal computer, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and choose Sound Settings or Open Sound Settings. From the drop-down menu for output devices, select Headset Earphone, Wireless Controller. This will route all your audio through the controller to your headphones, ensuring a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.